Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great. And welcome to this new video on SEI, which I'm not actually sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. SEI, maybe. SEI network, which I wanted to make a video on because it's actually launched last week, I believe. The 15th, yeah, last week. And I wanted to make a video on that because this has been one of the most anticipated launches. I also made a video on this in advance because I was on vacation the last week and a half. And the launch was actually pretty successful, I would say. I mean, we went up about, what is it, like 25%. And then after that, I mean, we did drop down quite significantly. And right now the price action is absolutely horrendous. But the volume is still pretty high and the volume peaked out around 2 billion. So I still wanted to make a video on that. So let me know if you're interested in more updates on SEI. I think the project has potential, but I also, if you want to know my full opinion on the project, I would highly recommend you to just look up SEI network and then Cilinix Crypto. I think if you type in, excuse me, if you type in SEI network, you might even see my video. I'm not sure. Lots of videos have been made on it. Yeah, right here, the next huge crypto project. So if you want to know my opinion, check that out. But for now, before we dive into SEI, I do want to mention as well that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades. I'm a profitable trader, but you also gain access to my trading guide and access to an exclusive chat room of traders. Altogether, a lot of value. If you want to become a better trader, come and join. Links will be down in the description, by the way. But for now, onto SEI. So the general direction right now has definitely been down. However, you can see that there's a little bit of a start of potentially bullish momentum. All right, because I mean, perhaps like the biggest question right now is that if this bullish momentum that we're seeing right here, which started yesterday evening, if that's the same as this, so that it's a bit of bullish momentum and that will just continue the trend down, or that we can actually get some sort of a bullish breakout. So that's the biggest question right now. I would say the main level is right here around 15.2 cents. And I do want to, before we talk about this bullish scenario, I do want to mention that in general, it looks like the trend is down. With new cryptos, it's always hard to analyze them and they can always all of a sudden rally quite a bit. But the overall direction right now seems down. All right, so a next strong support level in my eyes would be 12.5 and 12 cents. And I do think we'll drop down there, even though it might still take like 1 or 2 weeks. But for now, the more interesting thing to talk about is potentially breaking above 15.2. Because I think that's all we need to do. Because if we break above that, then we have definitely broken above that whole 15 cents area, which is worth something. We've also broken above the 50 EMA, which is a strong trending indicator. So if that breaks, that usually indicates some change of momentum. So personally, I'm actually thinking about if we can break above this 15.2, that I'll actually go long up until like 16 cents. And it could go all the way up to 17.5 cents, even though I think 16.5 cents is more likely. If we can break above that, then I expect a bit of a consolidation on the short term. If, however, and you should know this as well, we are not able to break above 15.2. And what happens now is that we either get a bit of a fake out or we just don't break above that at all. Then I think it's more likely we'll drop down towards that 14 cents, 14.5 cents level. And like I said, the moment 14 cents breaks, I think it's just a matter of time before we drop down all the way to 12.5 and 12 cents. So yeah, those are the two scenarios. I actually think at this point in time, it's more likely that we'll get that bullish breakout and that we'll get a bit of recovery. But I'll keep you updated on that if you're interested in that. For now, this is my take on SEI. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.